everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to connect your crypto between your phone and Opera for computers on Opera GX. To do this, you need to add your crypto wallet to your Opera sidebar. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. To do this, I have already done that. This is the sidebar. So you can see the crypto wallet there. In case you don't know how to do it, click on the three dots at the bottom to open your sidebar setup and scroll down and you see crypto wallet and you click it. So now it's there. So once it's there, click on crypto wallet. It will open up this crypto. You can see it. Next, you click on create new wallet. If you want to create new wallet. This is for wallet backup actually. So you don't want to create because you can only create on your phone. So click on I already have a wallet, and then you want to restore your wallet. You can use your recovery phrase or use your Opera account. Let's say I want to use my Opera account. So you put in your email, click on continue, or you sign in using Google, Facebook, or Apple. Then from there, follow the on-screen prompt. Now, so once you've been able to log in with your Opera account details, the next thing you'll be asked to do is to scan the QR code with your mobile device. Or before you get there, actually, you open the crypto wallet site, click on reveal the code. That is after you've installed this, after you've put in this information and you're already in, the next thing it's going to ask you to do is to give an option. So you click on review the code, and from there you now scan the QR code with your mobile device, because your mobile device is very important. So once you've done that, next thing you have to do is nothing. That's it. Now on your Opera for Android browser, tap the address bar and then tap the bar scan icon if you want to do it, if you want to scan the code. Note, you may need to permit Opera for Android to use your device camera, not here on your phone. Remember, you're scanning using your phone. Scan the reviewed code in the crypto wallet sidebar panel with your Android device. So once you're in here, it will take you to the crypto to open this for you perfectly. And once it has opened, as you can see, it's not open yet. So once it is open, remember, you click here, it take you here. From here, put in the information to open to show you the code, the QR code. Then you scan it using your phone, whether Android or iOS device. And once you're done, that's it. It will scan the reviewed code in the crypto wallet sidebar panel with your Android device. Now, if you're using iOS browser, that is the phone, tap on settings, tap connect to computer button, and you may need to permit Opera Touch to use your device camera. So using your device, scan the reviewed code in the crypto wallet sidebar panel on your computer. This is the crypto wallet sidebar panel. Like I said, it will reveal a QR code here once you sign in. And if the connection is successful, you see the following pop up on your Android devices. What you see: computer connected. Now, in the crypto wallet sidebar panel, you will now see your wallet funds, tokens, and collectibles. You can now use your crypto wallet on your computer. That is it. It is as simple as that.